So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Coldrex tablet. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurafe. I'm doctor of pharmacy. Means I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert, and you're watching Side Effects channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Coldrex, and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are paracetamol, dextromethorphan, and chlorpheniramine malate. Paracetamol here it is in 325 mg, whereas dextromethorphan is here as 10 mg, and chlorpheniramine malate is in 1 mg. And its manufacturer is Stand from Pakistan. Coldrex tablet is used to treat cold, flu, cough, and fever. So it's a very good and effective medicine. So now let's discuss its dangerous side effects. Its side effects are more as it contains three drugs. Okay, it can cause nervousness, irritability, restlessness, excitability, and irregular heartbeat. Means it can cause arrhythmia. It can also increase your heartbeat, and it can also cause nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting, diarrhea. It can also cause severe headache, which is the pain in head. It can also cause seizures. It is also dangerous. It can also cause sickness, means the patient can feel that he or she is feeling sick. It can also cause hallucination are those things which do not exist, as it contains paracetamol. So it can also cause hepatotoxicity, which means it can damage your liver, and if you use it in a high dose, or misuse it, or use it for a prolonged period of time, it may result in liver failure. And also when you ingest a lot of paracetamols, then it may also cause multiple organ failure, which can lead to death. So you have to use it very carefully. It also contains dextromethorphan and chlorpheniramine malate. So these drugs also have dangerous side effects when you take in high doses. So it can also cause psychosis, which is the losing consciousness from the reality. You won't be present in the reality. Dextromethorphan here can cause psychedelic symptoms, mania, panic, extreme agitation, and hallucination. It can also lead to extreme sleepiness and also confusion, weakness, ringing in ear, blur vision, dry mouth, flushing, and fever. So if you see here, the most dangerous side effects are here of the paracetamol, which can cause liver failure, which can lead to coma and death. And in next in we can see dextromethorphan, which is also very dangerous. If you take it in high doses, it can cause psychosis and also seizures and coma, which can lead to death. So these two drugs can cause death. So you have to use it very carefully. That's why we say that please consult your pharmacist first, then you should use it, because every patient is different, they have different chemistry, so they experience side effects of different kinds. We can't predict it that what reaction would they get from it. So it's a medicine, you have to use it carefully, and do not self medicate yourself. And yes, one warning is that do not use it with monoamino oxidase inhibitors, because it can cause severe side effects, which is very fatal. And if we talk about the common side effects which occur in the usual dose, it can cause headache, which is the pain in head. Insomnia, means it can cause some sleep problems. It can also upset your stomach and can also cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea. It can dry your eyes and cause blur vision, and also make your mouth dry. And it can also cause mild dizziness, trouble concentrating, feeling of restlessness, excitability, which is especially seen in the children, and also some mild skin rashes. So these are the side effects. Okay, the purpose of telling you the side effects of this is just simple, that you should know the side effects of it, so that you don't self medicate yourself and use it properly. And if you experience any side effects, you consult your pharmacist. So that's the purpose of telling you the side effects. And the question is, if it has so much side effects, then why we should use it? So it's a very good and effective medicine, and its side effects are nothing as compared to its uses. That condition which I have told you that it treats them very effectively, and the patient get cured by it. So that's why we are using it, and that's why it is still used. So it's a very good and effective medicine. Okay, so for more details about its medicine, its drug-drug interactions, contraindications, means whether in which condition you should use it or not, and should we use it in pregnancy or not. So for all of the details, you can consult your pharmacist for it. Okay, and do not use it without consulting your physician. So that's for today. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, you can also write in the comment section. And if you want to buy this medicine, also write in the comment section. I will supply you too. And now take care of yourself, and always remember your pharmacist, Dr. Abdurafe, in your prayers. Allah Hafiz. Take care, and Pakistan Zindabad.